Good morning to all of you. Myself Zafar Ahmed. Today I teach you economics in class 11th, chapter number 2, Central Problem of an Economy. Now we start video lecture number 6. In this video lecture, we discuss about 2 points. Point number 1, what is an economic problem? And point number 2, causes of economic problem. So let us start point number 1, that is economic problem. It is the problem of choice arising from the use of limited means which have alternative use for the satisfaction of various wants. Now, in economic problem, we present here a flow chart to understand economic problem. In economics, there are mainly two things. First, resources, and then second, wants. So, economic problem arises two things. First, resources, and second, wants. Resources are limited, and limited resources may be used alternative uses. Then problem of choice. So resources can be problem of choice, and problem of choice create economic problem. Now, wants. Wants are unlimited, means two categories of wants: more urgent wants and less urgent wants. So choice of more urgent wants or less urgent wants means problem of choice. So wants can be problem of choice, create economic problem. Now, point number second, that is causes of economic problem. It arises due to the following reasons. Point number 1, human wants are unlimited. Human wants are unlimited as it is a respective process in which wants get increased by consuming goods and services. Fulfillment of one want leads to the surfacement of another want. Now, point number second, that is economic resources are limited. Economic resources are limited. Economic resources are limited in supply in relation to their demand. Scarcity is the basic feature of every economy. No economy can be self-sufficient in everything. The scarcity of resources creates economic problem for every country in the world. Now, point number third, that is resources have alternative use. Resources have alternative use. The resources are not only scarce in supply, but they also have alternative uses. That is, land can be used for produce wheat or rice. Land can be used to produce wheat or rice, or build a hospital or a school. So one thing, that is land. Land can be used various type of functions. First, produce wheat or rice. Second, build a hospital, and third, a school. A choice between the alternative uses of land has to be made. This problem of choice leads to an economic problem. Thank you.